This type of Sudoku puzzle is the best for developing children's thinking skills. Give it a thumbs up, and let's take a look with Teacher Chi. In this large grid, each row, each column, and each diagonal must contain the numbers 1 to 5 without repetition. This is called Sudoku, which tests the child's ability to sequence and reason. Remember my method. First, gather and check attendance among these numbers. Let's first look at the bottom row, which has a total of 5 numbers, and 3 have already been given. With 5 numbers and 3 given, 2 are left, and this is the breakthrough point. With 235, that leaves 1 and 4, so these 2 blanks must be either 1 or 4. Remember the teacher's words. Once you've determined it horizontally, you must look vertically. In this vertical line, there's already a 4, so this spot can't be a 4, it must be a 1. If this is a 1, then this must be a 4. First, gather and check attendance. With 5 numbers and 3 given, that's the breakthrough point. Upon careful observation, in this vertical line, 234 are given. With 3 numbers given, that leaves 1 and 5. So these 2 numbers must be either 1 or 5. Looking horizontally, there's already a 1, so this must be a 5, and that one is a 1. Next, there's no clear path, and you can't find a breakthrough point. Don't forget about the diagonal. This diagonal is like a bridge, allowing you to go from one side to the other. First, complete the diagonal. In the diagonal, with 5 numbers, 124 are given. There are 3 and 5 left, which means that this number must be either 3 or 5. Looking vertically, there's already a 5, so this must be a 3, and here it is, a 5. After setting up this bridge, many situations arise where there are 5 spaces with 3 numbers given. Let's look at 345, so these 2 spaces must be either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2 looking vertically. There is already a 2, so this must be a 1, and this one is a 2. Now let's look here, where 4 numbers are given. 1235, so this must be a 4. Next, we start solving the numbers in this area. Remember, the bridge must play its role. First, complete the diagonal. On this diagonal line, there are 345, missing 1 and 2, which means these 2 numbers must be either 1 or 2, either 1 or 2, looking vertically. There's already a 1, so this must be a 2. This one is a 1. The bridge is set up, and the rest becomes simple. 123 is missing 4 and 5, so it's either 4 or 5. Looking vertically, there's already a 4. So this must be a 5, and this one is a 4. 1453 is missing a 2, so here it is 2. 1245 is missing a 3, and 1234 is missing a 5. 1245 is missing a 3. This is reasoning ability. If you understand, give a follow.